Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I shouldn't presume it's morning where you are, but it's morning where I am, and I have a headache today. So we're going to try and get some work done. I just don't want to. I want to finish this though. So I want to get this underway. Make sure the cats haven't left any hair on it or anything. I am going to put an epoxy resin on this tabletop. Now, if you missed the video where I did the whole other parts of the table, well, actually, I only did this on camera. This is a paper that I've developed. It's on Zazzle. The link will be in the description below if you guys are interested in buying any of the designs that I've put on decoupage paper. It can be ordered in 3 different sizes on 18-pound tissue paper. There you go. But I want to put a resin over the top because I want to protect it, and it has this wonderful dip, this lip in here that just makes it perfect for a resin tabletop. And then the decoupage will be completely protected, and I've already cleared it. It's dry. It's been dry for a couple days. So now is the time that we need to get this mixed up. So I do have a resin tabletop pour, which is perfect for this because it's for the tabletop. I just got resin all over myself. I'm going to go get gloves. That's the only part I don't like about working with resin is it's so freaking sticky. Even if the parts are separate, absolutely wear gloves. It just gets to be a hot mess. I am wearing painting clothes so that if anything gets on my clothes, I'm not really worried about it. But let me go grab some gloves and we'll get to mixing. So while I was out there grabbing some gloves, I also grabbed a lighter. This is what we're going to use to get the bubbles out when we're done. So hopefully nothing explodes in here at the same time. Y'all, so I've been asked before, Donna, I think you said your husband was a fireman. And I was asked, like, do I have an extinguisher in here? No, I do have one outside the door though. So hopefully I can make it to the bathroom. But I do not have one in this room. I probably should. Resin is a 1-to-1. So half and half of each part. So I've had people ask me when I say 1-to-1, what does that mean? And if you haven't been doing DIY and stuff like that all the time, you may not know. We don't all know the same things. So each part, so we've got a part A and a part B. You take equal parts. So whenever somebody says 1-to-1, equal parts this to equal parts that. So here's part A, and I'm going to get these two poured out here in equal parts. And to do that, I just have plastic cups, 2 of them. And then I am a little cowboyish in that I kind of eyeball it. And I'll be honest with you, that looks perfect. So now I have A and B, and I'm going to mix the 2 of them together. That is starting to look good. And then I ended up 4. To take the edge of this popsicle stick, and I'm just going to push it out to the edges. All right, let me get something to clean this up with. I've got some drips on the edge that I want to clean up. I just had a damp rag and I cleaned up the lip where there was a little drip there. And then what I did was pick it up and drop it a bunch of times, like pound it down so that it sort of leveled itself off, which you don't want to do if there's people home. But luckily I'm here by myself right now, so I can do that. And nobody's like, what the heck are you doing in there? Just bang, 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 bang. That's what I did. I'm just going to check it over and make sure that it is up against every edge and every corner, because that's the hardest part, is like getting it all out. Look how pretty it looks. Guess it makes me super happy. Wait till you get closer to it. It looks so beautiful under here. And all the wrinkled decoupage has disappeared. Literally, you can't see one bit of the wrinkle. It looks good, actually, so I'm just going to go after the bubbles right now. The heat just bursts these bubbles really nice. Just make sure you don't get too close. And I'm running out of... No. Dang it. Hang on. I'm probably going to regret this, but it's what I got. I don't want to think it through too much at all. At all. If I start thinking about it, not going to go well. That's already bad. Couldn't find my kitchen torch. I'm gonna put this in some water. Oh, yeah. A little sizzle there. And then get as many bubbles off this way as I can. You seem to be working again. Store. I ran to the Dollar Tree because, you know, when you fail to plan, I got two actually. There's one out in the other room, so that if I run out on this one, who knows with the Dollar Tree if they're like any good or not. But I called Quick Trip, which is closer than the Dollar Tree, and I asked them, do you carry these? And they said, yes, they're $7.99. Well, an extra mile down the road is Dollar Tree. I'll take the Dollar Tree. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to go Dollar Tree and get one. Ah, there we go. We got a flame. Let's take care of the rest of these bubbles. Although, since I've been gone, it looks pretty good. I don't know. Like, it's calmed down with the bubble situation. I actually don't see any bubbles. I didn't need to go at all. I just needed to be patient. This is not my strong suit. For those of you who've been here a while, you may already know this. It looks good. Let me get you guys closer so you can see. So there you go. I am not seeing any bubbles at this point. It's just freaking gorgeous. You don't see the wrinkles on the decoupage, nothing. You can actually see a reflection of everything up here. like the reflection of the door and stuff in the tabletop. It's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty! I'm freaking excited. So happy with how this came out. Why does it look like that's coming up on the edges? Because it is, isn't it? What is happening? What's happening? What is happening? Okay. Why is that happening? It looks like the paper's like literally eaten away in spots. I don't know. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It's just, is it going to keep eating it? Okay, how long does this take to set up? It says it can be recoated in 4 to 8 hours. Like, I got to look at this then in like 4 hours and see if there's more gone. I don't know what's happening. Okay, unexpected result. We're just going to move forward. It's okay. It's going to be okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just a table. It's just a $5 table. Dear gods of DIY, please don't eat any more of that paper. Okay, meet me back here in 4 hours. 4 hours later, I'm back. Nothing else seems to have disappeared, but I looked at the original picture because I had taken a picture of it, and it appears that where the image, I have an image. Yeah, I have another one. I don't have to try and describe this. What the heck, Stacy? Just grab another one. Okay, I think it's an optical illusion, because where it seems to have disappeared in there is where these dark bits are on the image. So I think it's just an optical illusion, but it looks really cool. I'm so happy with it. I'm extremely happy with how this turned out now. I'm really glad for those of you who said, you know, put the resin on. Thank you. I'm so glad that I did the resin top. You can't see the wrinkle in the paper. I will definitely be doing this again with like anything that has kind of a tray top on it now is getting resin. That is so cool. It's going to get an image and some resin. And I'm just like, oh, it looks so good. It looks really good. But let me get you up close again so you can see how it turned out. You see where, I mean, here's some of the dark stuff, but this along the edge was also that sort of dark. So I don't know why that didn't, but this one you can see did partially. And I don't know what's going on, but it looks really cool. And I love the top. I love it. You guys, I'm so happy. This turned out so much better. I have had it in my head for so long what I wanted it to look like. And it just looks better than I even imagined it turning out. And I'm so freaking excited right now. It's still like in that tacky phase, so I can touch it, but it still feels a little sticky. It's only been 4 hours though. So tomorrow it should be perfectly fine. Just like the tray plus the humidity. Ugh. Anyway, I also got a notification today that I'm at 5,500 subscribers on the nose today. And I want to say thank you and hello to all my new subscribers. You know very much if you've been here for any length of time, I love you all. I am so grateful that anybody would even watch these videos and go, that's for me. Because I'm not everybody's cup of tea, let me tell you. I'm okay with that. You know, and we have a policy of be nice here, where we're here to share tips and tricks for DIY and, you know, go junking together. It's not a serious place. Like, if you're bent out of shape about anything I do, you're in the wrong place. You calm down. I've had comments recently where I'm like, go away. You know, I delete them because I don't feel like they deserve any energy. And if you leave bad comments, they seem to dogpile. Like, people feel emboldened if they see another negative comment. So I've been removing them, and like 90% of them now are like, this could have been shorter. This could have been shorter. You know what? There's a platform for that. Go to TikTok. This is YouTube, y'all. Welcome to it. My videos are between 17 and 20 minutes long, and that's pretty short. They used to be a lot longer. Just saying. So deal with it or go to TikTok, but you don't have to comment, you know, right? Like, mean and nasty people suck. Y'all suck, mean and nasty people. I know you're out there waiting. Anyway, we're nice here. We all like each other, and we just want to do DIY, and we just wanted to go junking together. We don't really care about all the rest of that garbage, right? We're just like, this is where we leave that garbage behind and do fun stuff like this. And this turned out so much better than I anticipated. Anyway, I just wanted to get that off my chest. So if you're out there going, oh, she talks too much, go to TikTok. Please, do us all a favor. We don't need you here. YouTube's like, did she just tell everybody to leave our platform? I did. I absolutely did. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.